Deep in the green leafy jungle lived a cheerful little monkey named Milo. Milo Monkey loved swinging from tree to tree, making silly faces, and, most of all, eating mangoes. Milo Monkey had a secret mango tree hidden high on a hill. The mangoes were the juiciest, sweetest, and biggest in the whole jungle. Every morning, Milo Monkey would climb up and eat as many as he could, all by himself. One hot day, while Milo Monkey munching on a mango, Milo Monkey looked down and saw his friends below, Zara the zebra, Tiny the turtle, and Lala the parrot. They looked tired and hungry. They probably want my mangoes, but what if there aren't enough for me? Milo Monkey tried to ignore the feeling in his heart and kept eating. But then Milo Monkey saw Tiny the turtle stumble, and Lala the parrot flap her wings slowly, too weak to fly. Milo Monkey looked at his pile of mangoes. He sighed, then smiled. Milo Monkey filled his arms with mangoes, swung down the trees, and shouted, "Mango time, everyone!" Zara, Tiny, and Lala cheered with joy. Zara the zebra, Tiny the turtle, and Lala the parrot sat under a tree, laughing, sharing stories, and enjoying the delicious fruit together. That day, something amazing happened. The mango tree, sensing Milo's kindness, grew even more mangoes, more than ever before. From that day on, Milo Monkey never ate alone. His mango mission became a jungle tradition, and every animal knew sharing made everything sweeter, brings happiness to everyone.
Didn't like my sharing? You didn't like and subscribe? Kids, now it's time to learn some words along with the story. Repeat with us. Flap. Flap.